Hello, homie.
Hello.
What's up, homie? Sorry it took me like 10 seconds to do my freaking intro.
Hold on. What happened to your camera?
Oh, I turned it off.
For some reason, my camera isn't working.
Huh.
Should we just audio call instead?
Yeah. Hello, homie.
Hello, people there.
So I'm assuming you were stealing fetuses again, right?
Yep, I sold them all. Because I ate them. And I'm still blinding.
Alright, that's understandable. Sorry, I'm changing my outfit so much.
Look at my name.
You look fabulous, by the way.
Thanks. I'm pretty sure my family is home. But, like, look at me. Look at how beautiful I am, though.
Oh, this also provides you with, like, like
Well,
slaves
you
as
should
well.
dress up as a baby eater with me.
How I would look as a baby eater?
We should dress up as baby eaters.
Okay, how should this baby eater look?
So go to bodies and just pick a really weird body from fantasy.
1 second.
And then unequip every item. And then equip a really weird hair and hair color.
Alright. Body types. Alright. Fantasy. I look hilarious.
Can I see? I can't. Why is your head and arms detached from your body?
I don't know.
Wait, hold on. Go to body, then go to body types, then click on fantasy.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Like a really weird body.
Choose a really weird body. Alright.
And then unequip every item and choose the makeup for face and then a really weird hair.
Wait, I have this other one. I
and
have this other one.
matching hair color, and then change your name to Baby Eater.
Just see how like the face I chose?
Just do, like, yeah, do those kind of faces. And then you should make your hair, like, look really weird, but, like, also match your outfit. Like, make your hair messy and kind of, and since your outfit is red, make it red. Some form of red. One sec.
Watermelon hair.
Anyways, I recommend doing black and red for this.
Oh, instead of having watermelon hair?
Yeah. I'm gonna fix my hair. Then I'm gonna make it glow. And then boom, we are the Baby Eaters. Wait, hold on, get rid of the ears though. Can you get rid of the ears?
Alright.
Okay. And then equip a really weird block and then make it like as fast as you can.
Okay,
We are beautiful, aren't we? We should. Wait, hold on. What's the name of your flower? Is it? I just had deja vu.
Super deja vu, do me.
Look at us. Wait, I already ate the children.
Oh, we should go to a different server then.
Yeah, switch servers. I'm gonna teleport to you.
On to Earth.
But we look beautiful though.
Yes.
Wait, hold on. We should dress like this for the whole video. Wait, hold on. I found a good way to open the doors to the door.
Open the door, please. Veronica, open the door.
Wait, hold on. I know how to open the door easily. I know the best way to open the doors.
Okay, so where are you?
I'm at Earth by the spinning wheel.
Alright, I need to go spin that wheel anyway. I was just picked up in a car.
Wait, hold on. Make your animation speed like really fast. You look gorgeous. We look gorgeous.
Yes.
For some reason, it doesn't say that you're in.
Huh.
I'm just gonna join Enchantix and hope I get in your server. I don't think I'm in your server. Yeah, I'm gonna join your server now.
Fetus. Fetus. The baby.
Fetus, eat us, go delete us. Wait, hold on. Wait for me. Where are you?
No, I found the child. So it's mine. It was a nice dorm.
Okay. You realize there's a better way to do that, right?
Then just do this.
No, I'm saying, like, if you want to get to child, hold on. You should go through, like, hold on. Did you check the other dorms?
No, I just joined the server.
I'm going to check the other dorms. Okay? There's none in the main row. I'm gonna check this section now. There's no fetuses?
Did I get the only one?
Yeah, I think you did. Let's switch servers. I'm gonna switch servers by, like, leaving the game and then rejoining it.
Okay, so I'm going to a different. I'm going to a campus now.
Okay. But we can become Pixar moms if we wanted, but we don't, so we'll just be baby eaters.
Wait, how about this? Don't be the baby eater. And I'll just try to be normal.
Hold on, I'm gonna check the server if there's any fetuses. So I joined a different server. It's crazy how people were, like, swarming me like I was a celebrity.
Yeah, people don't normally do that.
There's no fetuses. I'm gonna join you. I'm joining you. We shall be baby eaters together.
Oh wait, I'm
Are
not.
we recording a video this entire time?
Maybe?
I expected it, to be honest. Do you want to claim a dorm?
Oh wait. I thought you wanted to steal fetuses. I am being given very mixed messages right now.
Okay. Right now I'm sleeping. Also, we shouldn't worry about brushing our hair, because we are baby eaters after all.
Oh, well,
What? What?
uh,
What? What?
oh, somebody claimed the dorm.
Shoot.
I claimed the next one.
I'm gonna join you then. After I sleep. I'm almost level 245. I moved in.
Okay.
But yeah, we look absolutely gorgeous. Wait on. Did you make your animation speed all the way up?
Yeah.
Top. Can we be baby eaters, please?
How about you're a baby eater?
Okay. But we look gorgeous as baby eaters, though.
I know.
Oh my gosh, there's someone with a hello.
What? Oh no. Maniacal laughter. You sounded like a seagull.
I do. Do I look it? I'm literally crying. I'm literally laughing, crying. Do I look good?
I am on a call with them, and they are laughing like a seagull. Oh, you think that's concerning?
You know you can use other pronouns besides them. Because you can use any pronouns.
Okay,
It's
right.
fine. There's someone dressed as Princess Tiana, so I'm just gonna jump on them. What is this laughing? What are we doing? Wait, hold on. You should title this video called "My Best Friend, My Bestie Laughs Like Can Laugh Like a Seagull."
And meanwhile, I'm wheezing. Like, sorry. I got so lightheaded from all that wheezy laughter. It's the magic enchantress.